Hello there. So you want to know how to create a Reddit account. This is going to be the only video you'll ever need to watch. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open any browser that you are comfortable with and simply search for Reddit, just like that. Simply go ahead and click on the first link right over here. And once you've done that, all you need to do is on the top right, click on this login button. Once you've done that, go ahead and click on sign up down below and simply go ahead and enter your email. There's my email. Simply click on continue and then verification code is going to be sent to your email. So simply go ahead and copy that verification code and simply go ahead and paste it. Click on continue, and now finally you can simply go ahead and use any password. Once you've done that, click on continue and you should be logged into your Reddit account. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.